Sunkeen are new yeast industry based in China with a global vision, owning 20 years of industry accumulation, rich in R&D and production experiences of yeast products, with the world's most advanced concept, adhering to the humble worship, tolerance, and mutual learning of Confucian culture. The modern circular economy demonstration enterprises is striding toward the sunrise. The year 2012, with the support of Zhoucheng and the Jining government, two discerning resource-based enterprises, Shandong Honghe Mining Group and Shandong Liyan Power Generation Company Limited, capital inject Sunkeen, together set up Shandong Sunkeen Company Limited. In July 2013, Sunkeen introduced a comprehensive management team, headed Mr. Yu Minghua, famous management expert in China yeast industry, brought new lead-type development opportunities. In August 2014, the first phase project with a total investment of RMB 1.02 billion was completed. Production lines with the annual output of 20,000 tons of purified edible sweet potato starch and the pure sweet potato vermicelli, 20,000 tons of instant dry yeast, 20,000 tons of yeast extract, 10,000 tons of baking raw materials, 10,000 tons of bio-yeast feed and other yeast-augmented products began to operate. Now, Sunkeen has become the second-largest yeast manufacturer in Asia and the China Purified Edible Sweet Potato Starch leading brand. Sunkeen has realized the transformation and renewal, which from single beer yeast extract business to comprehensive production of instant dry yeast, baker's yeast extract and other derivative products, and which from small enterprise to national high-technology enterprise. Sunkeen developed the technology achievement with independent intellectual property right, sugar production technology coupled with multi-enzyme and sweet potato drugs, and mixed sugar source biological fermentation technology, which filled the global blank of yeast microbial fermentation with a new sugar source, while solved the problem of high pollution of traditional sweet potato starch industry and greatly reduced cost and enhanced competitiveness of Sunkeen. This project passed scientific and technological achievements appraisal of Shandong Province, owning more than 100 national invention patents, obtained Science and Technology Progress Prize of the Ministry of Agriculture, and the highest 3 stars level in the New and High Technology Catalog edited by Science and Technology's Ministry. Sunkeen is a national high-tech enterprise, integrated plenty of biological technologies, combining sweet potato starch production and yeast fermentation, formed a circular economy industrial chain mode, sweet potato contract farming, sweet potato starch, sweet potato residue sugaring, baker's yeast, yeast extract, yeast bio feeding, bio-organic fertilizer. This mode starts from high-quality sweet potato seedlings cultivation, adopting wholesaling, whole pipeline, completely automatic production technology, dynamic integration of ecological agriculture, cleaner production, sugaring technology, and yeast technology, makes the multi-purpose utilization rate of a sweet potato more than 90%, and the waste in the system eventually return back to the farmland as biological organic fertilizer. The mode effectively prevents the pollution of waste on the ecological environment and fully realize the concept of high utilization rate, less emission and energy saving. Bao Sunkeen owns the first-class production equipment. The production line adopts the most advanced European design, uses Siemens PCS7 integrated automation control system, and imported key equipment segregating unit. Bao Sunkeen has the independent production lines, which could meet the differentiated product demand of different customers and provide customers with personalized solutions. Bao Sunkeen adopts the unique mixed carbohydrate source yeast production technology. 90% are cane molasses, in order to ensure the supply of cane molasses and beer yeast malt. Bao Sunkeen established the strategic cooperative partnership with the international and domestic upstream supplier. The self-building 50,000 tons grade molasses storage allocation center is the largest in eastern China. With the provincial postdoctoral research workstation, Bao Sunkeen settled a multinational R&D team with 60 experts, including Mr. Fan Yunliu, academician of Chinese Academy of Engineering, Mr. Yan Gonghong, professor of University of Pittsburgh, USA, Mr. Fang Xu, Tyson scholar from Shandong University, and a biological fermentation expert, Mr. Wu Yunchan, biological engineering expert, Mr. Yi Yong, yeast production expert, Mr. Zhu Changxiong, etc. Meanwhile, Bao Sunkeen formed a powerful industrial team with more than 20 operational management experts, including marketing expert Li Xueshong, operation management expert Xiao Junqiao, brand management expert Bei Sheng, etc. Bao Sunkeen has further strengthened core competitiveness by completion of R&D center, which was co-built with Shandong University in May 2015. Bao Sunkeen built a full-order food safety and quality management system, passed the ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, HACCP Food Safety Management System certification, ISO 14000 Environmental Management System certification, and Halal certification, and a patent kosher certification. Bao Sunkeen has completed the system with thousands of products under 4 key brands: Sunkeen, Chaofan, Four-Door, and Lancel. These products are widely used in food, bakery, Chinese pastry, brewing, food flavoring, biochemical engineering, animal and plant nutrition industries. Bao Sunkeen formed the marketing system covering domestic, international, and e-commerce, with 6 divisions, including food fermentation and bakery division, sweet potato starch and yeast extract division, animal nutrition division, environmental protection division, electronic commerce division, and overseas trade division. Supported by overseas trade division, Bao Sunkeen products has been exported to Japan, Korea, North America, Europe, Southeast Asia, Middle East, and North Africa, etc. Bao Sunkeen has formed the marketing system by the pattern of marketing solutions plus branch offices, which includes 8 marketing sections and dozens of branch offices, and provides technology solutions for customers from different areas. Bao Sunkeen is on the mission of sharing food value, insists on selecting fine materials, innovation, and environmental protection. Bao Sunkeen aims to be credible enterprise, forms speediness, collaboration, professionalism, and delicacy work style, and quality innovation, affinity management concept. With the scientific management and a favorable enterprise culture, Bao Sunkeen gathered a batch of elites that are vigorous, rich of experience and passion. Based on 2 pillar industries, yeast and sweet potato, Bao Sunkeen is seeking to push yeast business become bigger and stronger. and propel deep processing and utility of sweet potato and other agricultural products. Bao Sunkeen will gradually grow into a global, reputable, and all-around bio industry group, which are led by manufacturing of yeast, yeast extract, yeast culture medium, biological feed, sweet potato products, and characteristic function food, and harmoniously developed a variety of business, including overseas trade and e-commerce.